In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google business profile name in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding your business or simply need to make a correction to your business name, you've come to the right place. It's a quick and straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make it even easier. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Business Profile Manager. It's important to make sure you are logged into the Google account associated with the business you wish to edit. This step ensures that you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your profile. If you're managing multiple businesses under one account, don't worry, the process is the same for each one. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying your business or businesses. Navigate to the business profile you want to update. If you're managing more than one business, make sure you select the correct one before proceeding. Next, look for the edit option symbolized by a pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to making changes to your business profile. Clicking on this will open up the editable fields of your profile where you can make various updates. But since we're focusing on changing the business name today, you'll direct your attention specifically to the business name field. Click on the business name and you'll notice it becomes an editable text field. This is where you type in your new business name. Take a moment to double check the spelling and formatting of your new name. This name is how customers will find and recognize your business on Google, so it's crucial to get it right. After you've entered the new name, cap off this simple process by clicking save. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Google business profile name. Remember, it may take a bit of time for the change to reflect across Google services, so don't worry if you don't see the update immediately. A few tips before I let you go. Keep your business information up to date to improve your visibility and searchability on Google. This doesn't just apply to your business name, but also to your address, operating hours, and contact information. Regular updates ensure your customers always have the right information about your business. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Changing your Google business profile name is a breeze with these steps, and now you have all the know-how to do it confidently. Keep tuning in for more helpful guides on managing your online presence effectively.